This is my latest project. I don't know whether you know that, but WIP means work in progress. So it is Wednesday, and I said I would try and go live on a Wednesday. So this is my shawl. I've got a nice big screen here, which is useful, and that's the bottom corner of it, look. And then it goes all the way around there to that corner. So I've just worked around this corner here, and when you're working like this on camera, you really have to be a contortionist if you're going to do it this way and just use your hands. So I'm going to demonstrate to you how to do latch hook crochet. I'm perhaps the only person who does use a latch hook for crocheting. Have a look and see how I am actually using my busy finger all the time. If I can show you how I'm going here. I'm going to go into this next hole here with my latch hook. Before I do so, I'm going to yarn over, pick up a stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and then do a chain, a single chain. You see how I'm going to go into this next hole, yarn over first, hook in, yarn over, hook in, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and make a chain. And this is how you do latch hook crochet in this particular instance. I do quite a lot of teaching children to use it and making different things. But I do have a YouTube channel where you can find out a lot more about latch hook crochet. There. This is Roslyn Hill here. I'm demonstrating today how I'm making this shawl. A huge shawl here. But I'm using a different new method, which only I do. I don't think anybody else does this. How to use a latch hook to crochet. Yarn over, hook in, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and do a chain. So if you're watching it on replay, then please do ask me a question, and you can see how I'm doing this.